Hello and welcome back everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of St. Martin. Today we have banana fritters on the menu. This treat is savory and delicious. For banana fritters, it's best to use very ripe bananas. Here's a great example for you. In a large mixing bowl, smash your bananas until smooth. I'm using a potato smasher to smash my bananas, but you can also use a fork to do so. I'm going to start adding my vanilla, and then I'm going to add my brown sugar. You're more than welcome to add whatever type of sugar you have, and then mix until well combined. I'm adding my nutmeg and some cinnamon. Continue mixing until well combined. Then add in your milk, or you can substitute that for water. And continue until well combined. I'm adding some salt to my mixture. Then go ahead and stir in your salt. Then I'm going in with some flour. Add some of your flour and then stir it, and then go ahead and add the remainder of your flour. Again, continue to mix until well combined. To my batter, I'm going to go ahead and also add an egg to my mixture. Continue to mix until well combined. I love raisins, so I'm going to add some raisins to my batter, but this is optional. You can leave this out if you prefer to. In a deep frying pan or a skillet, go ahead and heat about ½ an inch of oil over medium heat, or until it covers the bottom of your pan. You want to go ahead and test your oil by dropping a small amount of the batter into it. Your batter should sizzle and rise to the surface quickly. I'm using about a 4th cup scoop of batter. As you drop the batter into the oil, be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook fritters for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Once your fritters are golden brown, you want to go ahead and start flipping them over. You also want to go ahead and flatten them slightly, just like you see here, with the back of your scoop or your spoon for even cooking. After 2 to 3 minutes and your fritters are golden brown, you want to go ahead and start removing any of the excess oil and add your fritters onto some napkins. I'm lightly adding some confectionery powder over my fritters. I also added some strawberries. I love strawberries, so I added some on the side. These banana fritters were so delicious and tasteful. I hope you decide to try these homemade Caribbean banana fritters soon. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Remember, a link will be provided with a full recipe in the description section below. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.